If I chose this assisted dying at the time in my life, I would not have known my wife would pass away, and she needed support. I was so lucky that I just improved at the right time to be able to support my wife and help her through it all, and be there all the way to the end. I would not have known that, and not knowing that my kids would be orphans a lot sooner than we planned and expected. I'm fortunate that we could set up and sort out all our affairs, and that the guardians are there for my kids. And they're a loving family that can take over. And the nice thing is my kids will know that I didn't abandon them by choosing assisted suicide or dying, and basically left them. So they won't have that abandonment. They know I gave it all the way to the end, and they will remember that.